Hello YouTube. So today I'm actually up a bit earlier than usual because the phone has been calling. Anyways, today the video is about this laptop over here, the HP NC6400. But I have a problem with the NC6400, oddly enough. I don't know how I got the problem, but I do, and it is not software related, I don't think. I got two of these, like you see. I tried putting this one on this docking station and vice versa, and the result is this one that is on the docking station that has the most use of it. The fan is running quite loudly, and this one that I bought myself, the first one, has light use on it, and the fan doesn't really come on. It stays off and stays silent and everything. I cleaned the fan on this one. I shined a light through the fan grill and looked in the fan where the fan is on the other side, and I saw a light and I saw the heatsink was clean when I had blowed the dust away from it. But I am still getting upper 60s on idle on the CPU. I don't know why, but I don't have any CPU load basically. So let's see here. I'll pull up this. You can see I got 2% to 0% CPU load down here, and you can see my temperature is at 68 degrees, basically 70 degrees. Now I will show you what happens when I start a YouTube video. I've done some reading on everything, but let's do YouTube. So let's go over here. This is my other channel. No, wait, this one has video on it. 474748 374744748 is my YouTube channel. Yep. So this one has, like I said, video on it. And look at the temperatures now. They are skyrocketing. They are going towards 90 degrees. And it gets worse if you turn it into full screen. As you may have heard, the fan just stepped up. So let's minimize this. 89 degrees, 91 degrees. That's from a YouTube video. I don't know, but I'm thinking the heatsink might be coming loose. I don't know. I know it sure as hell isn't dust. Maybe it's time to sell this one off. I mean, it's still working, but maybe it's time to sell it off. I don't know. I really don't know. So give me a holler. I know how to dismantle it and take the keyboard out, but I'm doubting it's dust. But I will do my best to put the high pressure airflow through it and see what happens. I don't think these cans do anything good really. I tried these cans and it didn't improve a whole lot. So I don't know. I mean, you can feel the airflow coming through. There's no blockage in airflow. And now the heat is sinking towards 75 degrees. So I don't know. It's strange. It's very strange. I mean, it does the work I need it to do, but I think it's a bit noisy. So YouTube update. I've installed Prime on it and it's running under full load right now, and it's actually cooler under full load than playing a YouTube video. That's proper strange. I'm loading up Firefox right now, and I'm gonna attempt to go back to YouTube. So let's go to my channel, because I know I got the copyright for everything on my channel. And let's take the same video again and see if we can get this one to shut down by heat. It's running a bit sluggish because it is using all of the CPU. Use 720 please. It's running very sluggish. I mean, this is a Core 2 Duo. I mean, it shouldn't be lagging, even under full load potentials. I mean, it doesn't seem to be hanging, it doesn't seem to be doing anything it shouldn't do, but it's running the fan quite loudly. And the thing is, I can't recall if it has been doing that before. That's the thing. I can't recall. It's too late. I mean, I've had this for so long, I can't recall if the fan has been this loud before or cooler. But it seems to be wanting to hang around 84-85 degrees when under load, and it seems to be dropping quite quickly if we take the load off. And let's take that off. And here we got core temp. Let's close that off and then close this off. So it seems to be dropping quite rapidly when you quit this, but the thing is, the fan is still on notch 2 in fan speed. As I understand it, it's 3 notches. You got the first notch, which is actually there is 4, I think. One is off, one is low, one is medium, and one is high. And this one is on medium and not on low. This other laptop over here is on low most of the time, and this one has more CPU load when idle. So it has more CPU load when in Windows, basically, because that one runs a firewall and that one doesn't. So yeah, now it stepped down the fan, and yeah, it's still louder than the other one, so I'm confused. I'm very confused. Uptime has been 58 hours. 58 hours, 17 minutes and 15 seconds. So that's the uptime of the computer. And yeah, I have no server applications running on it. I just have Skype and Dropbox basically. I got Maxi Vista and the monitor off utility that allows me to press Alt and L, I think it is. Alt and I don't know which command I set. I think it was Control Alt L I set for the monitor. Yeah, Control Alt L. That turns off the screen, which is quite handy when you got the internal screen on. This screen, if it has been living for 10 years or more, it's still gonna be living in 10 years. So I don't care too much, because it will still be living, and old stuff don't die like new crap does. So it's actually quite. It actually is a couple of degrees cooler. It's on 73 now, 73 to 74. Interesting. Anyways, if you got any clue and any tips, it's not dust. I know it's not dust, but I will still take high pressure or higher pressure, enough pressure to make sure it is well and truly clean inside, and run that through it while putting a credit card or something in the fan so it doesn't spin and over rev and get broken. Obviously you need to put something in the fan so it doesn't over rev, but I will do that, and then I don't know, come with tips what you think. And if you got a similar series to the NC6400, I will show you how the NC6400 looks. The NC6400 looks like this. And this is my workhorse basically. And yeah, as you can see, it has been standing on the table for quite a while, but I cleaned it yesterday and I cleaned the table underneath yesterday, so it shouldn't be any problems. Over here maybe you can see better on the time. Focus, god damn it. Yeah, there's the time. And also somebody could tell me why there is that every time I open the lid it presumes the screen is on the right side. I have said to it numerous times the screen is on the left side. No, screen is on the right side. Yep, always on the right side. And I have gotten tired to that, so I just close the lid and then it lets the screen go to this, and then I use this and have the computer on the table. I could really move that computer over one notch and have the screen sitting on the table, but it is more in eye height over here, which is nice because I don't like to be looking down all the time. It's annoying. This is a comparison against the hot computer. I took the keyboard out and cleaned underneath the keyboard. I looked at the fan, I looked at the fan shroud, I looked at the heatsink, and there are no dust. I felt on the screws and the screws are as tight as I think they should be. And I also did a check on it. You know, might be good to do once in a while. But both computers has been running for an hour or so since I did that, and this is at 66, 67. You can see the load, it's quite low. It bump ups once in a while, and once in a while it spikes like that, but that shouldn't set it up that high as a temperature, I don't think. What do you think, YouTube? I don't think so. Over here we have the known good one. It is at 44 and 46 degrees. Over here we got the graphs. As you can see, this is using less CPU because this one has less software that is running right now, because yeah, this one is in the docking station. It runs the weather station over there and stuff like that, you know, the good stuff. So let's see here, temperatures. I wonder, has this been up to 94 degrees? 57, 94, maybe, I don't know. Let's close that down and let's open it. No, not that one. I don't want to run Prime on it right now. I've already done that and I already made a video of that. Apparently it has been up to 94 degrees, and this has been no higher than 50 degrees. So I don't know why the fuck it says that. So if anybody has a clue on how to fix, I would be very grateful. Yeah. Anyways, please subscribe and take care, y'all. Bye, y'all.